Hi, my name is Aragon. I am VP of Sales of Waldorf Astoria Residences Miami. I'm here at the construction site to give you a sneak preview of what is going on with construction. Let me tell you a few things that are going on in the construction right now. We just installed the glass facade in Cube 1. Last week we poured level 19. Next month we will be pouring the pool deck and right after the amenity level. Stay tuned for construction updates of this amazing building that is going to change Miami's skyline. For information, please contact me.